Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to restore full backup in Microsoft SQL Server database. Let's begin. Restoration of a database depends on the backup strategy and executions. A backup can only be restored up to the last available backup file, whether it is full, differential or transaction log. In the next screen we will see how to restore a database. We have a database with name practice, which is being backed up every single minute. Full, differential and transaction log backups are scheduled accordingly. We can restore the backup up to the last minute using the combination of all three types. Backup will be restored with a different database name on the same server. We have all the backup files in the following directories. You can see in the images as well. C:\backup MSSQL full practice. C:\backup MSSQL increase practice. C:\backup MSSQL log practice. Connect Management Studio. Right-click on Databases node, then select Restore Databases. In the General tab click on Device and then the dotted lines for Windows Explorer. A dialog box will appear which will help to consolidate all backup files as backup media. Click on the Add button. Point to the location of full, differential and transaction log backups and select all files. Click on the Add button. All backup files will be seen in the backup media. Click OK. Rename the destination database to practice_new, since we don't want to overwrite the existing database. In the timeline, you can see date and time to which database will be restored. Go to the Files option. Setup will use the same file names. To restore files with different names, you need to change it in Restore as text box. You also have an option to change the default location if needed. Go to the Options page. In the Options tab for the recovery state, select Restore with Recovery. Uncheck Tail Log Backup before restore. Click OK. Restore process will start, and you can see the new database in the list of databases. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to appreciate our hard work.